Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michaela. Today I have for you a Temu haul. I was super excited when I found out about this company that everybody has obviously been obsessed with lately. And I found a lot of items on there that were similar to Amazon, but so much cheaper. And I ordered like 15 things in my first order and only paid around $32, which I think is just crazy for 15 items. If I bought 15 items on Amazon, it would be hundreds of dollars. So this is exciting and I can't wait to show you everything that I got. So I'm actually wearing one of the pieces that I got from Temu, but I will show that at the end of the video with the rest of the clothing. I'm going to start off with just some random accessories and little items that I got. So first we will do jewelry. The first item I'm going to talk about, I'm actually really disappointed in, and I was expecting these to be like really lightweight and really sleek, and that's just not what I got. So I think I may try to order another pair of these to see if maybe it was the certain brand that I bought on there, but it was these Bottega dupe like teardrop earrings that everybody's obsessed with. And I expected these to be like solid on the back and like really lightweight and like hollow on the inside, which these are hollow, but they have like no back, which I think just looks weird. I really wanted like a solid curved back on it. So I'm never gonna wear these. I'll probably give them away. They're super heavy and they weigh down my ears and they just hurt. So I'm never gonna wear these. I'm gonna try to find some that are a little more lightweight. And let me tell you what I paid for all of these things so you can kind of have an idea. So I actually got these free with my first order. So I can't complain too much, right? The next jewelry item that I got, I don't know if you can see that, is this little beaded band ring, which I just love these little dainty lightweight rings because I do wear a lot of rings. So I want them to be as lightweight as possible and not like cling together because I hate that feeling. And let's see what I paid for that. So this ring was also free. So you can't beat that. And it is called the Dainty Narrow Ring 18 karat gold plated. Next up, I have these gold like beaded stretchy bracelets, which I'm not gonna lie, I expected these to be metal and they're plastic, like gold colored plastic beads. And these bracelets were also free with my first order, so I can't really complain that they're not metal. I don't think that they are gonna last that long. They just seem pretty cheap, but I still think they're cute, so that's a thumbs up for me. So the last jewelry item that I got in this order are these like Van Cleef and Arpels dupe bracelets. I got the black one and the white one. They also had a green one and another color. I think it was like an orangey color. I can't remember exactly, but I also got these for free in my first order. So all the jewelry that I just showed you was free in my first order. So I don't think that I will ever order jewelry off of Amazon again because they're just so inexpensive on Temu. Even if I have to pay for them, they're only like $2 or $3 each. So definitely go pick up some trendy jewelry that may not be in style forever, but is very inexpensive, so you can just give it away. I was super excited about this item because I'm not the type of girl to go buy the real Stanley cup because I'm too cheap. And I don't think that I should spend that much money on a cup. So I picked this one up and it looks exactly like it. It's 40 ounces, came with a straw, the lid and everything. And I got the white one. And I also got this for free in my first order, which is crazy, I know. But it was only, I think, like $15, even if you had to pay for it. So this is definitely worth picking up, and I actually will probably get another one. I carried this around at the beach all weekend. So speaking of being at the beach, I picked up these 3 fans just for the beach. And these 2 are neck fans, and I wanted to get 2 just to try them out and see which one worked better, and they definitely have some differences. And I just got this little handheld fan that you can clip on your bag. And it's actually pretty powerful. It has 3 speeds and it's really powerful. I really like that one. I got the handheld fan for free as well. Super happy with that. So the first neck fan that I picked up is this one. It's a white and rose gold, and it has, let's see, it has 5 different levels, and this one goes around your neck, but you have to do it like this because it doesn't like move or stretch. And this one does blow better than this other one, but I like that this one bends. So this one is super handy. You can literally bend it. It's kind of like a neck pillow. And this one also has 5 levels, but I feel like this one doesn't blow as well. And honestly, I think we were at the beach too long that these just weren't worth it to just keep them around your neck, and they didn't keep us cool enough for them to be worth it. So I think that these would be great for like short walks or something, but I don't think I would take them to the beach again. And for the one that doesn't bend, I paid $10.99. which I don't think is bad because I think they're around $20-25 on Amazon. And I got this one for free. So that's super cool and exciting that I was able to get one for free. And another thing that I picked up are these really trendy like Prada dupe sunglasses. I really like these. I think they're so cute. And I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these. And I got these for free. And I think they're like $15 on Amazon. Okay, so I saved some of the best for last. I bought 2 swimsuits. They're both one pieces. One of them I am totally obsessed with and it's become one of my favorites. And I also picked up 4 pairs of shorts. So here are the shorts. These came in a 3-pack. I got the gray pair, and I got a black pair, and I got a white pair, which these are see-through, so be aware of that. I will just be wearing those over swimsuits. They're super comfortable, but I do wish I would have sized up one size because they are a little on the snug side, not so uncomfortable where I won't wear them. I just wish they were a little looser is all. I know this swimsuit is really trendy right now, so I seen it on Temu and I thought I have to pick this up just to see. And I got it in this purple color. It's the really like stretchy fabric that's really popular right now. And it has like a little lower back like that. And this color is really pretty. I feel like it's coming off lighter on camera than it actually is. I feel like it's a little darker purple. But it's super cute. I did size up one size in this. And I sized up one size in both of the swimsuits, just because they do fit tighter. And here is the suit that I am absolutely obsessed with. It is this Versace dupe swimsuit. It has a lower back and the straps just make it. The top of this just fits to absolute perfection. And I am so glad that I picked this up. Okay, so let me give you the prices of what I paid for the swimsuits. So I got the purple one for free. I feel like I paid for almost nothing in this order, which is just crazy in today's world. And I only paid $10.49 for this. I almost bought the real thing. That was almost $400. And I'm so glad I didn't. And I seen this on Temu because $10.49, I could buy so many of these for $400. Like, that is just insanity. So I highly recommend those. And lastly, I'm going to show you the shorts that I'm currently wearing. I have a couple of pairs that are very similar that I bought off of Amazon that were like $30. So I was super excited when I seen these. And when I did see them, I thought that they were the exact shorts off of Amazon, but they're not exactly the same, but they do fit the same. Well, almost. These are a little more snug, so I do wish I would have sized up one size, I think, but definitely not too snug where I wouldn't wear them. It's just if you want a looser fit, size up one size. So for the shorts I'm currently wearing, I paid $10.49 for, same as the Versace dupe swimsuit, but that's a whole lot less than $30 per pair compared to Amazon. So let me show you them. Okay guys, so here are the last pair of shorts. They are like the Amazon ones that I was telling you about. And I did say that these were a little bit different. They have the double zipper on the sides instead of just the single, like the Amazon ones. But I just really love these. They're so comfortable and so cute. And yeah, this is like an army green color. And again, I paid like $10.50 for these or something like that. But yeah, highly recommend. Okay, so that's the end of this Temu haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making it for you, and I have another order coming again soon, so I'll have some more items to show you guys. But thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, if you want to see more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends that also love hauls, because I have a feeling that they're gonna like these things. Please let me know down in the comments if you like videos like this and if you wanna see more hauls, and what was your favorite item that you've seen today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. See you soon.